Hi, in today's session we will understand Git Revert and Git Reset. The various types in Git Reset like hard reset, soft reset and mixed reset. We will also understand the differences between Git Revert and Reset. And also we will take a look at the demo and understand how to use Git Revert and Reset. Now let's understand Git Revert. Git Revert is simply used to undo or cancel the changes that are added from a specific commit. In simple words, say for example I have made 4 commits to a branch. Now I want to revert the changes of a third commit or a second commit. In that case, I can use git revert. Now let's understand the commands that we can use to revert the changes are like git revert commit id. Now, say for example, I want to revert the changes of second commit. In that case, I should provide second commit id over here. Then it will revert the changes of that second commit. Or if I want to revert the changes of last recent commit, I can use git revert head. Here head refers to the last recent commit ID. Or we can use git revert head number. Now if I want to revert the changes of last second or last third commit, I can use git revert head tilde the number, the commit ID number. Then it will revert the changes of that particular commit ID. Now let's take a look at the demo. I'll initialize the git with the command git init. Now I want to push these 3 files to the git now. So for that I need to run the command git add space dot. This will add these 3 files to the stage and then run the command git commit -m. I'm giving a commit message as commit 1. So I'm successfully able to commit these 3 files now. Let's check the git log -1 line. As you can see, this is my commit ID. Now I'll create one more file and commit that new file again. commit2.txt. I'm just giving a file name as commit2.txt and adding some content like hi, this is commit2 file. Saving it. Now let me push this file again. Git add dot git commit -m commit 2. Now let's check the git log now. Git log space -1 line. As you can see, these two are the commits that I made. This is my first commit ID. This is my second commit ID. Now I want to revert the changes of this second commit. In that case, I can run git revert the second commit ID. I can provide this or even I can provide head because this is my last recent commit. So let's use this commit ID to revert the changes. It has opened in the VI editor and saying this is the commit message that's going to be added. So I'm saving it escape :WQ enter. Now let's check the status if it has got the changes or not, if it has reverted the changes or not. So if I come here, commit2.txt file has gone means it has reverted the changes. Now let's check the git log -1 line. As you can see, this has added a new commit and it has reverted the changes of commit 2 and the new commit message is revert commit 2. Now let's understand what is git reset. Git reset is used to move head pointer to a specific commit and it deletes the remaining commits that were made after that point. Let's understand in easy terms. Say for example, I have made these 3 commits to the master branch. Now if I run git reset on this commit, it will delete remaining 2 commits that are made after this commit. Not only these 2, it could have n number of commits. It will delete all the remaining commits that are made after this commit because we are running the git reset on this commit. Now say for example, if I run the git reset on this commit, it will delete this commit and this commit id will still remain same. This will not be deleted. It will only delete the remaining commits that are made after the commit on which we do the git reset. Now let's understand various types in git reset. The various types in git reset are like soft reset, hard reset and mixed reset. So mixed reset is the default reset that will be applied to the git reset command if you do not pass any flag like -soft or -hard. Now let's understand the differences between them. The soft reset nothing but it will keep the files in staging state, whereas hard reset it will delete the files completely. And mixed reset it will keep the files in untracked state. You will understand more about this while doing the demo. So let's get into the demo. Now let me initialize the git with the command git init and I'll make few commits to the master branch so that we'll be able to run git reset command and few commits. First I'll push these 3 files, then I'll create few more files and make few more commits. For pushing these three files, run the command git add space dot, then run git commit hyphen m, give a commit message like commit 1. Okay, these three files have been committed to the master branch now. Let me create one more new file and push that again. Giving file name as commit2.txt, add some content like hi, this is commit2, push that file again, git add space dot, git commit hyphen m, giving commit message as commit2. This is also done. Let's check the git log space hyphen hyphen one line. As you can see, we got two commits. Let's create one more file and push that again. Commit3.txt, add some content like hi, this is commit3, saving the file, push that again with the command git add, git commit. Alright, let's check the git log again. We got three commits. And check git status to see if there are any untracked or any other files that are in staging state. We do not have anything, means all files have been committed to the master branch. Now if I apply git reset on this first commit, the latest two commits will be deleted. If I apply git reset on this commit will be deleted. So let's try to apply the commit on this one and see if this will be deleted or not. Git reset space, provide that commit ID. Git reset is done. Let's check the git log. As you can see, the latest commit has been deleted. We got only two commits now. And if you remember, I have mentioned that if you do not pass any flag like hyphen hyphen soft or hyphen hyphen hard, it will take mixed reset, means it will keep the files in untracked state. So let's check that. As you can see, this file has been added to the untracked state, means the default flag hyphen hyphen mixed has been added to the git reset command. And let's try to do the soft reset so that the file will be added to the staging state. Let's try to do the soft reset on this commit. Git reset hyphen hyphen soft, giving this commit ID. Let's check the git status again. If you see, commit2.txt has been added to the staging state. And similarly, if you do the hard reset on a specific commit, it will delete the entire file, whatever has been added in the latest commit. So that's how the git reset works. That's all for this demo. Thanks for watching.